Good afternoon traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. So guys, I'm making this video so that I can help you with MetaTrader 4. This is the MetaTrader 4 that I am using right now. So I was getting questions from my subscribers that some of the subscribers are just new to the Forex trading and they do not know that how to use the MetaTrader in a right way. So currently I am on a MetaTrader 4 and I will give you some insights about it. So before we start the video, so guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please press the subscribe button, and as well as you need to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the Forex trading analysis and updates from my site. And my website is www.200forexpips.com. Okay guys, moreover, those subscribers who haven't joined the WhatsApp group till now, then I request everyone to find the link to the WhatsApp group in the description of video below, where I post some free signals, give this technical analysis, and also I share the success stories of my subscribers in WhatsApp group. Okay, moreover, if you are looking to get these indicators, then you also contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, we will talk about the main topic, that how to use the MetaTrader 4. Now you can see everything is set to use at my MetaTrader, okay? But let's say if you are just new to the Forex trading and you don't know, so after downloading this MetaTrader 4, so guys, from here you can go for the login. I mean, just click the login details, click the login button, and from where you have made the account of a specific broker, you can provide the login details and passwords in the video, like for example here. Okay, so you can set up your account details here. Okay, one more thing guys, in the file option you can see different type of options here. So there is no required, only when you are going to attach any indicators that are custom, that are paid, then you will go to open data folder, and then you will have to go to MQL4. Okay, and then you will have to go into the indicator section and you will paste your custom indicators here. For example, I am using these indicators. So Pips Hunter is already there, Scalper is there, and the trend dashboard is already there. So I am using these indicators. You can see the red boundary Pips Hunter, the arrows are in the form of Scalper, and the trend dashboard is here. Okay, one more thing guys, let me talk about this thing. Just a second, let me settle it down. Okay, so if we go to the view option, then there is an option for market watch. Okay, once you click that option, you can see some pairs here, but all the pairs are included in that list. But overall, when you just download a new MetaTrader 4, then these all pairs will not be displayed here. Then what you need to do, just right click anywhere on the MetaTrader 4 currency lines, and then you will have to click show all. And once you click on show all, then all the pairs will applied here, and they will come into onto your screen after you press the show all. I am repeating, right click here and press the show all, then all currency pairs and commodities that are supported by your broker, they will appear on the screen. Okay, now let me take an example that how you can do it. For example, if you want to trade Euro USD, right? So if you want to trade Euro USD, then first of all left click on it and then click right click, and then you have to go to chart window. Okay, so once you go to chart window, then you can see the screen will look like this. So this is not a good screen to watch the pair, because you will not even come to know that what's going on. Look, this is kind of a raw chart, so you will not able to understand this thing. Okay, so first of all you need to convert your chart into candlestick patterns. So one time click candlesticks. Okay, and then you will have to zoom it 3 times, 1, 2, and guys 3. Okay, even if you want to zoom it more, then you can press 4 times. So 4 times is much better, because you can see the chart is now displayed properly at your end, and you can see the zoom in figure here, and the chart is very nice to look at this point. Okay, once you have settled your chart, then you can see there are boxes on your screen. So these doesn't look any decent, so you want to remove that boxes. So what you need to do, right click on your MetaTrader 4 anywhere on the screen, and then go to the properties last option. Okay, because basically the grid is attached on the chart, so we want to remove the grid. So once you go into properties, then you can see there is an option for a grid here, then it's selected as light slate gray color, so you will select it as none. Okay, now while selecting it as none, then if you want to change the colors of candles, then for example, the bull candle is in black and the bear candle is white. So my bull candle is black and the other one, bear candle, is white. So you can give any colors to any colors from this. So you can also set up the colors to give the colors to the candle, so you can see like there. Okay, so it's how easy, and you can simply do this. And also you can change your backgrounds from black to any background that you want. So you can simply modify it as per your own choice, but I am not going to disturb it because I am fine with these colors. So I am going to press OK. Now guys, once I press OK, now you can see that the boxes that were coming, the grid that was coming is definitely removed, and now I'm fine for taking the forex trading, and I can understand the power of the candles. Look, the market is pumping up, the market is getting down. Okay, once you set up these things, then you will have to attach the indicators. For example, if you get the indicators from me, then after you want to attach them, then I have told you that you need to go to open data folder, and then you will have to go to MQL4, and then you will paste it on indicators. Okay, so here you will, once you paste them, now how to attach the indicators. So it's very simple. Go to the navigator. Okay, once you go to the navigator, then just remove me that line. Okay, now look here, the price the pip center is the indicator that I have manually put them into my indicator section. Now I will double click it, and there is no need to change the setting. Just press OK, and you can see the pip center is attached on the chart. So basically this indicator provides you, this is the overbought levels of the market, this is oversold levels of the market. From the lower red boundary it says that the market can go up, and from the top red boundary it says that the market gets a drop, like it happened here. Okay, now I'm going to attach the other indicator, that is called scalper. Now look, the arrows will appear on the screen. Now here it has identified us with the downward trend, and you can see the market went down. So basically it gives you the red and white arrows. Okay, the third one is trend dashboard, that is very important for us. So if I go to it, now you can see the trend dashboard is also attached on the chart, and then you can remove the screen. Okay, now look how your charts look decent, and that's very perfect for forex trading. Okay, so those subscribers who do not have this these indicators, they can contact me on info@200forexpips.com, or they can also contact me through WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp link is WhatsApp number, and the WhatsApp group link is given in the description of the video below. Okay, one more thing guys, let me show you other aspects of this indicator. Okay, look at the charts. So these are not required, because you can also zoom out and do something like this. So it is not required. So one more thing guys, when you are going to use any expert advisor, then you will have to make sure that your auto trading should be on, and it will turn into green. When you stop auto trading, then it should be red. Okay, what else guys, from here you can change your time frames from 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. But if you are using the lower time frames, then you can go to 1 minute, 5 minute, and you can see the performance of the indicator and the market by changing these time frames. Okay, moreover, I think there is no need to do anything, but overall, if you want to place any new order, then guys, you can go as well as here, and also you can choose your order from this option as well. Now if you want to take a buy position, you will click this. If you want to take a sell position, you will choose that option. So this is guys how you can do it, and also you can place your new orders from here. Okay, so moreover, things are very simple. Just clean your charts like this. It will be good for your forex trading help, because you will be able to understand the market in a very right way. So the candles should look in a decent way in front of you, so that you can take good decisions. Because if the charts will be not good, if they are just looking at if you are looking at the raw charts, it will be very difficult to you to take any buy and sell conditions. So this will be very hard for you. So overall guys, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. If you like this video, then please do not forget to press the like button and share this video with everyone, so that we can help the other community as well. And moreover, if you have any questions, you can contact me on email, and